Hello and welcome to my channel, Lux Lucem. I am Frank. Do you remember this €1 wooden marking gouge found on the car boot sales? Today, we will give it a new life. The first thing I have to do is take it apart and then wash every part. I use warm water with mild soap and a green pad to do so. I will take off all the dirt, but I will try to keep its patina. This tool is made of oak. It comes from England and seems to be old and well used. I couldn't find any maker's mark, so I assume it has been shop-made. I take off the dirt from every part and then rinse it in clear water. Once it has been rinsed, I dry it with a clean cloth and let it dry for 2 days at least. Now that everything is clean and dry, I'll give it 3 coats of shellac. I make my own shellac from flakes and 95% alcohol, but you can buy it ready to apply. I use unfiltered and unwaxed shellac, so it's a pretty dark shellac. I love that bright brown orange that shellac gives to the wood. Shellac sets quickly, as it is mainly made of pure alcohol. Give it 2 or 3 coats. Multiple thin layers are better than a thick one. Once it is dried, I apply a coat of beeswax paste. I make my own with beeswax, turpentine, and a few drops of linseed oil. All these finishes are cheap, easy to apply, and you can make it yourself. Once the wax has dried, I wipe off the excess and buff it. Last thing before gathering all the parts together will be to sharpen the point. A few strokes of file outside and inside will be enough to get a sharp, clean edge. Now I gather everything and tada! The marking gouge is ready for work. €1 and a little hour later I have a beautiful shiny marking gouge. That is so satisfying to save an old tool. I can see and feel its history. I am now ready to use my brand new old tool, scribing nice, sharp and crisp lines in wood. If you can't find a used one, you can make your own. I'll leave 2 links in the description where you can learn to make your own marking gouge. One is made by Mr. Paul Sellers and the other one by Mr. Rex Kruger. If you like this video and if you want to see more of that kind, leave me a message in the comment. Please share, like, subscribe, it really helps the channel. Thank you for watching. I am still Frank and you're still watching Lux Lucem. Bye!